just came from 2 classes in which we were talking about how they would use Annotation Studio. And these are both introductory classes where they're focusing on skills of close reading and careful writing. In one class, they're reading Frankenstein, and I've asked them to annotate a single chapter, the one where the creature is animated, to experience the different ways they might annotate a piece of writing. So from looking up words and facts that they might want to, things they need to know about the passage, to questions it raises, to reflections and interpretations. I want them to experience a number of kinds of annotation for that paper, and then build their paper on what surprised them when they did the annotations. It's very often the case that they see things they didn't see before, or then they saw even when they marked up their own texts before they got into Annotation Studio. So something about the digital space there seems to inspire them to new ideas. The second one is on an early Jane Austen novel, Northanger Abbey. And in that class, they're thinking about annotating for a particular object or class of objects. So I've asked them to look at just about any object. Visiting cards, somebody's working on horses and vehicles, somebody's thinking about money, someone else is writing about clothing. These are the things that make up Austen's world. But there the annotation is more about locating the appearances of these objects in the text and bringing the passages together that they want to compare and write about. In both cases, they are working at the level that I think of as maybe the primary use of Annotation Studio, which is simply to identify the elements of the text they're interested in, to organize them by using tags, to make connections. The second level is the social one, and later in the term they'll start to read each other's annotations and begin to get a sense of how other people have read the same passages. So that's an aspect of the tool that gets them thinking and really experiencing how their peers read, so that when they write their papers they have some sense of who their audience is.